Hold my hand, Tom!
I am scared!
Stay close to us. Dad,
The waves are so big!
stay close to me! Do not let go of our hands.
Mom, I am scared!
Everyone, please stay calm.
Dad, what is happening?
Listen carefully. Attention, everyone. Please stay calm. Wear your life jackets immediately. Stay together with your family. Come with me. We need our life jackets. Okay, Dad. Everyone, take a life jacket. Put it on carefully.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Good job, Tom. Am I safe now?
Yes, my dear.
Dad, it is so huge. We are still together.
Mom, I am scared!
Hold on. Yes, we stay together.
Today is our cruise vacation. Everything is ready.
Let's have a wonderful family vacation. I can't wait to see the big cruise ship.
I want to sit by the window.
Me too.
Seatbelts first.
Done. Mine too.
Mine too. Everyone ready?
Yes.
Let's go to the cruise ship.
Everything looks so beautiful.
We are getting closer.
Yes, we are almost there. This will be a wonderful day.
I can't wait.
Wow, it is so big.
Look at the cruise ship.
We are here. Our adventure begins now.
Wow, it's even bigger up close. I can't wait to go inside.
It's beautiful. It looks like a floating city.
Everyone has their bags?
Yes.
Stay close to us.
Okay, I can't wait.
We're almost there. Let's go.
Yay! Yay!
We're almost on the ship.
Yes, we are.
It's so big. It really is.
Stay together.
Okay, let's go in.
Yes, the ship is so beautiful. Yes, it is.
Stay close.
Okay, Dad, I want to go aboard very soon.
We're ready. Let's go.
Morning.
Welcome. Everything looks good.
Thank you.
Can we go now?
Almost.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Have a wonderful trip. Thank you.
Can we board now?
Yes, it's time.
Stay beside us.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Our adventure begins.
We're almost on the ship.
Just a little farther.
I can't wait. Me too.
Stay together.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
Yay! Wow, it's amazing.
It's so beautiful.
Welcome aboard.
It's wonderful.
I want to explore.
Soon.
Let's discover the ship. Yes. Look, a glass elevator.
It's so pretty. Let's explore together.
Stay close.
This ship is huge. We've only just started. Ready for more?
Yes. Everyone come inside.
I can see everything.
This is fun. Stay together.
We will. Let's see the upper deck.
Yay! Look how high we are. It's amazing.
What do you think?
I love it.
This ship is wonderful.
It's like a dream.
Let's explore the ship.
Yes, yes. Look at the ocean. It's so blue.
What a beautiful view. It's wonderful.
The ocean is so big.
It's beautiful. What a wonderful
I
view.
love it.
This is the best day.
I'm so happy. I can see so far.
My turn next.
You'll love it.
Wow, the ocean is endless.
It's beautiful.
Let's keep exploring.
Okay,
This breeze feels nice.
I like it here.
Look at the birds.
They're beautiful.
I'm having so much fun.
So are we. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Ow. The pool is huge. It's so pretty.
We'll visit it later. First, let's explore. I love this ship.
Me too.
Come on, everyone. Okay,
The water feels nice.
it looks so clear. We'll swim another time.
Let's keep exploring.
Okay, I'm excited. Come along. Let's go. Can we have ice cream?
Please.
Of course. Let's choose together.
Thank you. Yay.
Take your time.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Be careful.
It's delicious.
I love it.
Ready to keep exploring?
Yes. This is the best ice cream.
It's so yummy. I'm glad you like it. Enjoy every bite.
This is the best day ever. I'm happy.
Anthony.
The ocean is so big. The birds are beautiful. They fly so high. They really do.
This is a wonderful day.
This place is amazing.
Amazing.
It's so beautiful.
This ship is wonderful.
It really is.
I want to see everything.
Me too.
Let's look over there.
Okay, I can see forever.
Look,
Another ship.
what a beautiful view.
It's unforgettable.
I love this cruise.
Me too.
Let's see what's next.
Yes. Wow. A play area.
It's beautiful. Let's play for a while.
Stay together. This is so much fun.
I love this place.
Let's have fun.
Yes.
Yes.
This is fun.
I'm coming.
Great job.
That was amazing. Let's do more.
One more activity.
My tower is getting taller. I finished my puzzle.
Excellent work. You both did great.
Oh no, it's okay.
Let's build again.
Yes, we finished it. It's even taller.
Fantastic teamwork. I'm proud of you. We did it. Together. Time for another adventure. Let's go.
I can see so far.
The ocean is endless.
Those clouds look dark. They're very far away.
The wind is changing.
I can feel it. Dad,
Hold my hand, Tom.
I am scared.
Stay Stay close to us.
The wind is stronger.
It feels different. The weather is changing. Let's stay together. I saw a flash.
So did I.
We're going inside now. Okay. Dad,
The waves are so big!
stay close to me. Do not let go of our hands.
Mom, I am scared.
Everyone, please stay calm.
It's starting to rain.
Stay close. We're almost inside.
I'm right here. The wind is strong.
You're safe.
Safe.
Everyone inside. Okay.
Dad, what is happening?
Listen carefully. Attention, everyone. Please stay calm. Wear your life jackets immediately. Stay together with your family. Come with me. We need our life jackets. Okay, Dad. Everyone, take a life jacket. Put it on carefully.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Good job, Tom. Am I safe now?
Yes, my dear.
Dad, it is so huge! We are still together! Mom, I am scared!
Hold on. Yes, we stay together.
The waves are huge. I'm a little scared.
The storm is here.
Me too. Stay together. We're safe inside.
Everything will be okay. We'll get through this together.
Please stay calm. We're together.
The ship is safe.
Everything is okay.
I feel better.
Me too. We'll be fine. Thank you, everyone.
That wave is so big.
I've never seen that before.
Please stay together.
We're safe.
I think it's getting better.
You're right.
The storm is passing.
That's good.
Wow, look at that. The sun is finally coming out.
It looks like the worst is finally over.
The rainbow is beautiful.
The storm is gone.
The sea is peaceful again.
What a wonderful sight. I'm so happy.
We did it!
The cruise is beautiful.
I'm
proud of you both. You stayed brave, we stayed together. That made us strong.